This time, we change the air filter on an SV650 and score a few brownie points with the wife. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Right, so the first thing we've got to do is take the tank off. Take the tank off, you've got to remove the seat first. And there's just a screw there under it. You've got to take the side panel off first to get it, but I've already done that. And at the front, there's two Allen bolts, you can see there. Take those off and just leave it like a car bonnet, and it should have a rod that holds it in place. But of course that's missing. Bent a bit of wire, and this now substitutes for the missing bar, because it's lifted up and exposed cylinder head at the back there, and the airbox. Okay, this is the air filter, and it's just undo these 4 Allen screws, it lifts out and you put the new cartridge in. Simple as that really. So all the screws are done. It should just wiggle out. There we go. It looks pretty good actually, but I'm going to replace it because I've got a new one. But overall, not too bad actually. Let's have a look inside. It's a little bit dirty in there, so I'm going to give it a bit of a clean out before I put the new filter in. Right, so a simple matter of dropping it in. There it goes. And put the new screws in. Filter done. All done.
Well, that was pretty easy really. It was a bit too easy, and I had time on my hands, so I ended up having to build a fence to keep the chickens in for the wife. So effectively, I built a wall. Now some of the chickens I'm sure are good people, some of them good people are here, but we're going to build a wall anyway. Meant to stop them pecking me and crapping all over the path. But still, brownie points scored and in the bank with the wife. Well, I do hope you found that useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did.